Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign.com. Today we are learning how to cable to front, and we're not using a cable needle to do this. Now I have this swatch here where I have both cable to back and cable to front. And I'm just going to do my first 2 purl stitches, and then we'll start with our cable to front. If you're looking for that cable to back tutorial, I'll link that up for you in the description. Okay, now these are the 2. Skip the first stitch. So I'm going to knit through the back loop on the second stitch. So I insert my right needle, yarn over, pull up a loop, then I've knit through the back loop on the second stitch, bring my needle to the front, insert into the first stitch to knit it, and then slide both off. And that's cable to front. For my stitch pattern, I'm purling these 2, and now I'll do it again for you. Skip the first stitch in the set, knit 1 through the back, keeping it on the needle, bring the needle to the front of your work and knit the first stitch. And slide them both off. Okay, I'll finish this row so you can see I'm making 2 purls in between my cable to front stitches. Okay, and that's how you cable to front. You can see there it's leaning toward the left, and it's the mirror of the cable to back.